Hi everybody, this is Angelo Quinones and I'm outside. Snow. It's cold. It's raining. It's like snowing at the same time. I don't know what's doing, But I have the helmet. It's March the 7th, 2018, okay? March the 7th, 2018. And I have the helmet because I don't want to get hit by a branch or anything like that, you know what I mean? So it's cold. Very bad storm in New York today for all those people in the Philippines. It is cold. Snow. Look at the snow. See snow? Over there? There's a building over there. There's snow all over the place. See? Very bad storm. So it's cold though. I have the helmet because I don't want to get hit by a branch. See? See the tree branch? So, that could fall. You never know. So I have the helmet on, So you got all of that, the cars. Let me see. See the cars all with snow. It's very bad today. Ooh, it's freezing. So, let me go this side a little bit. Ooh, snow. Look at snow. That is snow. Okay, that's snow. Right? Snow. Hey, Godfrey. Look at snow, Godfrey. Look it. Godfrey. Look at the snow. See that snow, Godfrey? Oh. So that's my building over there. Like I said, it's cold though. I'm gonna go back inside. You got the snow on the car, a little bit, not that much. See the window in the car right there, snow. So look at the tree, snow over here. The ice, it's like ice. Look at that. This is my hand. There's snow, see the snow? Snow, it's cold, it's freezing though. You need gloves, This is snow right here. Ice. Tree. See that? And what the problem is, sometimes the tree gets heavy and it could fall. That's why I have this. I have that. So it is snow. It looks like Christmas. It looks like Christmas today. Wow. It looks like Christmas today. Whew. It's cold, but what you gotta do, you still gotta go outside, and you gotta go to the store, or you gotta go to the shop, and you gotta go. But the snow really stops like in March. Sometimes it snows in April, but not that much though, You know what I mean? It's not that bad. See that? Let's go down here a little bit. More snow, more ice. Look at that. Ice over here. You have to be careful with wires. That's why I have gloves, because with wire, you have to be careful with that, So I'm gonna go back inside because it's cold. It's very cold outside. Okay, so this is my building. All of that is my building. So very unusual demographic. So I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you guys go because it is cold. Okay. Oh, I got some batteries for my lantern. I got a lantern, and I got batteries for the lantern just in case the power goes off. I don't know if it's gonna go off, but I'm prepared. I got flashlight, I got water, I got food. Thank God. I got a lot of flashlight, and you just stay inside. The best thing to do is to stay inside when you're you can't be outside. It's not good to be outside. I'm outside so I can show video, but it's not good to be outside. These conditions, it's not good. So you see the tree over there? That's why I have this, because of that over there. See that? All of that. You never know, that could fall. You see? So I'm gonna go because I don't want that to fall on my head. I want to get married soon, Can't afford an accident like that. Not now. Okay. So I'm getting out of here.